Hey y'all, I'm Tashi. Welcome back to my channel, Thrifty Tashi. In today's video, I have an amazing thrift haul to share. If you are new here, welcome. I love to share how I beautify my home with thrifted finds. So make sure y'all stick around and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. All right, so let's jump right into this haul. So the first couple items I'm going to share are from the Goodwill. And I got to admit, y'all, that whenever I go into this particular Goodwill near my home, it seems like the shelves are always bare. So I'm not sure if it's because of the time I'm going, but I don't know, y'all. Let me know in the comments, is it best to go in the morning? Is it best to go on the weekend, throughout the week? I know every Goodwill store location is different, but I'm always not lucky whenever I go there. So I did pick up a couple of pieces though that I really love. And the first is this jewelry box that I only paid $3 for. I thought it was so pretty with the gold hearts on top. And I'm gonna use it to store my jewelry in, because lately I've been doing lots of decluttering in my home and I'm just minimizing my accessories. I'm only going with solid gold pieces, and that's that. I don't need 5 hoops anymore. I just need 1 to 2 pairs of hoops, my charm bracelet, my wedding band, like a bracelet, but only real jewelry pieces is going in here. So I just thought this would be perfect to place on my nightstand that I'm so happy that I found today as well, which wait till the very end of this video. I'm going to reveal to y'all my nightstand. Well, I still need another one, but one nightstand that I found at another thrift store. So stay tuned for that at the end of this video. But I paid full price for this one, which was $3. And I thought it was worth every penny. It's an adorable wooden jewelry box. Now, another item that I got from that same Goodwill, I paid $3 for it as well. It's this cute little planter. At the bottom, it says Wild Eye Designs. Y'all can see that, never heard of it. But I just thought it was so adorable with this little spoon attached to it. It's gonna put a little plant on the inside and place it in my sunroom. So I just thought that'd be so cute. Now the last item I got from the Goodwill, this stood out to me a lot. And I also paid $3 for it. I know each item was $3. So I just thought this was a pretty vase. I love the warm tones of it. And to be honest, I'm not sure what to use it for. I'm thinking about maybe my bedroom, because I need to redo my bedroom for the 3rd time. I'll link my previous DIY projects when I redid my bedroom above if y'all missed it. I think it was like a couple of years ago or 3 years ago, not sure. But it's time for me to do it for the final time. And I think this will be pretty as the inspiration. I love a vintage cottagey kind of look, and the colors, I just love it so much. It's like a burgundy. I'm not even sure what color this is. Like a burgundy. It's just warm tones. I love that. And I love that wildflower look. So I just thought it would be cute to store some fresh flowers in my bedroom and keep it really, really simple. So now we're going to jump into the other thrift store that I went to, which I absolutely love, and I found my nightstand at. So I'll insert a clip here. I found this beautiful nightstand. I only paid $20 for it. It's in great condition. I love the wood tone, and it has great storage. The next item I have from that same thrift store is this vintage cow. I'm not sure what to call it, y'all, to be honest, but I see that it's super popular, and I'm not sure again how much I paid for it, because I cannot read. Can y'all see that? Is that $2? I'm not even sure, but it says made in France. I thought I'd be into the farm animals kind of style, but I'm not. And I really love a unique country style home. So pieces like this, I think it's really neat and everything, but it's not my style. So I thought it'd be fun to resell it on Facebook Marketplace, which I have sold many items before there. Now that's pretty much all of the items from that particular thrift store. Now the third one is like my all-time favorite. I mentioned this shop here on my channel plenty of times. Owner of the shop moved into a larger space, and I cannot wait to bring y'all on with me when everything is settled. But in the meantime, I did find a couple of pieces there when that store was open at the time. And the first item, I'm gonna share this one with y'all first, is this picture frame. Now I paid $3.99 for it, $4. And I just thought it was a beautiful bronzy picture frame. It looks so vintage or antique. I let grandma in her den. She had a whole wall full of family pictures, and all of the frames were not the same. It wasn't so neat and organized. My grandma just had that carefree family home that we all look forward to going to. So that's what I want to create here. Now the last item that I have, the owner of that charming shop, she gave it to me for free because I noticed it right away and she didn't even put a price tag on it. And it's this cute little kitchen towel, and it says I love cooking. Can y'all see that? I love this towel right here, and I'm not going to use it just for decorative reasons. The plaid blue and white, I love the blues and greens. I noticed that's what I love, and the yellows. My color combination is mostly like the greens, the yellows, and the blues. Oh gosh, I'm really loving those color combinations. So that's going to wrap it up with this thrift haul. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all stick around and subscribe. I'm already in the process of redoing my desk that I did share with y'all in the thrift haul, so I'll link that video above if you missed it. We're prepping for spring, getting a garden together and whatnot. Lots of much needed home projects that's going to be going on instead of just decor. So I can't wait to share that here on my channel with y'all. Again, I appreciate y'all so much, and I'll chat with y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.